Guys, so in today video we are going to learn how to calculate TDS on salary, because many accountant and tax consultant, they know how to deduct TDS on non-salary like professional rent, because they have certain limit. On that limit they will charge the TDS, but in salary case different employee come under different slab rate, so that it will be a little complicated. So I will explain you how you can go through that. So in today video we are going to learn how to compute TDS in 4 step, then what is the income tax slab rate, then how to find out monthly TDS, then how you can create the challan, how to generate FUA file, what are the forms and due date, and in case if you file delay, what is the interest and penalty. So these are the points we are going to cover in today's session. So before that, every Sunday 11:30 I conducting classes on income tax, GST, PF, ESI, TDS and many more. So if you like to join that classes, I given the description, our WhatsApp group link in the description, so you can just click on that and join it. So what are that 4 step how you can calculate TDS on monthly basis? So number one, whatever your monthly salary, gross salary, say suppose 1 lakh is your salary, so you have to convert into annual basis, which is come up to 12 lakh rupee, and you have to consider all the exception and exception like HRA and any LTA allowance is there, so that you have to consider, and you have to deduct all the deduction part like ATC, ATD, ATU, ATI. So whatever deduction part is that, you have to reduce that everything. Say suppose your gross is 12 lakh and there is a deduction of 2 lakh, so your net tax is 10 lakh rupee. So that is the second step. You have to calculate that tax on the slab rate base. So if my net salary is a 10 lakh, means I am coming under 20% slab rate. So 5 to 10 lakhs, 20% on that, which is come around 1 lakh, and 2.5 to 5 lakhs 5% tax, which come around 12,500. So roughly 1 lakh 12,500 is my tax payable, which is estimate total tax liable. So now 1 lakh 12,000 you can't deduct in one shot, no. So you have to divide by, you have to do it average rate calculation basis, so that whatever tax is there for annual basis, you have to divide it by 12, so that you will get the monthly how much you have to deduct. Then if after deducting all the deduction, in which slab rate he is coming, on that slab rate only you have to deduct. So I have old slab rate and new slab rate. So many are confused between this old and new. So the main difference is that in old you can claim all the deduction part, and in new slab you can't claim any deduction and any exception part. So say suppose now my 10 lakh is a gross, means net salary, so I am coming under 20% slab rate. So 5 to 10 lakhs on 5 lakhs I will charge 20%, which is 1 lakh, and 2.5 to 5 lakhs I have to charge 5%, which is 12,500. So entire 1 lakh 12,500 I have to pay the tax. So that only we have to divide by 12 and we have to pay that. So we'll give one example how you can calculate that one. For example, my monthly salary is 1 lakh, and there is a exception and deduction of 50,000 plus 1 lakh. So total 1 lakh 50,000 is the deduction part. So my net taxable salary is 10 lakh 50,000. So on 10 lakh 50,000, how you are going to calculate? Say suppose I am taking this old calculation, old slab rate only. So on 10 lakh 50,000, if you calculate, more than 10 lakhs is 50,000. On 50,000 I have to pay 30% tax, which is 15,000. Then 5 to 10 it's a 20%, which is around 1 lakh rupee tax. Then 2.5 to 5 lakhs is 5% tax, which come around 12,500. So my tax is 1,27,500. 1,27,500. Now education cess is 4%, which come around 5,100, I guess. Let me calculate into 4% education cess. For yeah, correct. So 1,27,500 total is. So my total tax payable is 1,32,500. This is for an annum I have to pay 1,32,000. So now fourth step is we have to do it average basis. So this one we have to divide by 12, which I get 11,050. So this is the monthly tax which I had to pay as an employee. My employer going to deduct 11,050 per month from my salary. So based on this you can work out. So this is an example for one employee. You can do for multiple employees. So now this 11,050, how you have to pay? You have to pay this through online. So the challan number 281 you have to select. Let me show you how you can pay that through online also. So for that you have to go to NSDL website. So if you see services, yeah, tin NSDL website. So here you can see click to pay tax online, and here you can see challan 281 and 280 for income tax purpose and 281 is for TDS purpose. So once you click on that, so here we have to select the tax applicable to my employees, which are non company only. Type of tax, it should be 200. 400 in case if you got any notice at that time you have to select 400, otherwise it will be 200. Nature of payment is in 192 section B, TDS on salary employee. Then net banking you have to select. You have option for debit card also. Here the important thing is that if any employer want to deduct TDS, they should have a TAN number with them, then only it's possible to deduct, otherwise they can't deduct. And whatever important thing is that you can select everything and just click on proceed. So the second page it will give a review kind of thing. You can see all the detail is displayed there. Once you submit that, it will take you to your net banking. There you can type that amount 11,050 and you can close it. So once you paid, you will get this kind of challan. So this is the challan copy. Once you paid, you will get this kind of challan copy. So once you got the challan copy and you have the detail of employee also, now you have to merge that challan and employee details. So for that I use KDK software to generate the FVU file. So here challan detail we have to update in form 24Q. So 24Q is for salary and 26Q is for non-salary. So 24Q salary detail we have to update. Then here deducted detail, here employee details we will update, and we will merge this challan with this file, and finally we will generate here FAU file. So once you click on this 24EQ, the challan it will download from the website, NSDL website, and it will help to create you one FAU file. So that FAU file, and you will get one more form. So form 27A. So 27 with that FAU file and this 27A form. So these two you have to submit to Carvi Center, who are having the authority to upload that FAU file. So once you upload that FAU file, you will get the acknowledgement copy. That acknowledgement copy, if you see in form 16 and form 16A, you can find a first quarter acknowledgement, second quarter acknowledgement, there it will reflect. So this is about how you can create you compute TDS, how to deduct it, how to pay it, and how to file it. So now return filing due date, every quarter you have to file first quarter 31st July, second quarter 31st October, third 31st January, and fourth 31st May. So first quarter and second quarter due date is extended up to 31st March due to the COVID situation, and remaining third and fourth are same. In case if you not deducted, if you paid, if you deduct later and you file late, what is the interest and penalty? In case if you not deducted any TDS like 11,050 you have to deduct, but if you miss out to deduct, then you have to bear 1% interest on that. In case you deducted that 11,500, say suppose in the month of October salary you have to deduct October, and you have to remit that on or before 7th November. In case if you miss out, then you have to bear 1.5% interest rate. And the quarterly return you have to file, so third quarter you have to file 31st January. Say suppose you miss out that and you are filing in February, means then per day 200 rupees penalty will be there. So this about interest and penalty. And yeah, thank you. So my Sunday classes, some student they miss out and they requested to prepare one short video. So this about the TDS section, and coming week I am going to take on basic on GST related. So if you are a beginner and want to learn about GST, then you definitely join coming Sunday class. So if you join my WhatsApp group, there I am sharing all the links. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. So we'll see you in next video. Till then, हमें भी आपके दुआओं में याद रखना.